In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload multiple photos at once on TikTok. So to go ahead and create a new TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That will take you to the TikTok camera, and then you can see here on the bottom right hand corner, it says upload. Tap on upload, and then you're going to go ahead and select the image that you want to appear first onto your TikTok, or the main image for your TikTok. So I'll go ahead and select an image, tap on next at the bottom right, and there I have one single image on my TikTok. Now to add multiple on top of this, what you can do is tap on stickers where it says stickers right over there. And now you can see, I'm not too sure if this is new, but you have this sticker that allows you to upload photos on top of other photos in your story. I just recently came across this. So if you go ahead and tap on that, you can go ahead and select a second image. So I'll select a second image, and you can see over here, you can remove the background, which is cool. I'll show you that now. If I go ahead and tap on OK, you can see the image. The second image is now on, and you can resize it however you would want. So if you want to demonstrate something with images, you can do that on your TikTok video now. So if I go ahead and tap on stickers again, and then I tap on this sticker right here, and then I select a third image, you can go ahead and toggle on upload to remove background. And then that will begin the process of removing the background of the photo. You can see it worked out pretty good. I can tap on OK, and there I have a third image that I can go ahead and resize however I would like onto my TikTok video. And then you can do anything else you would like. Go ahead, add your sounds, add some text if you want. So you could write, "This is cool," and then you can position your text however you would like, and then you can tap on next, and then just go ahead and post your TikTok video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.